Super simple garage storage. Finished product first. So we're taking a 2x1 strip of pine attached to the wall. Now we'll work with a sheet of plywood. This one is probably around 12 to 15 mil, and we're just going to be tracing out some circles. Now with some scrap 2x4, we're going to be marking this out at approximately 3 inches apart. These are for the hangers. And we'll just square those up. Now time for cutting. And for cutting up the circles as well. So we're using the bandsaw. You could use a jigsaw, maybe even a scroll saw for this. Or you could do it by hand if you were really keen. Now we've got these discs. The 2x4 will simply screw on to attach. 2x4 keeps it out from the wall. The circle just stops anything from slipping off the end. Especially good for electrical cables. We're going to drill it in at approximately 45 degrees. This is going to hold that piece of 2x4 up against the wall. So that will screw straight into that piece of pine that we attached to the wall. Could use a pocket hole jig, but we'll just do it by hand. And we'll attach that circle onto the top. And then, like magic, we can just screw them straight onto that pine batten that we put on the wall. So as I said, super simple, no magic here. So if you'd like, you could also put some screws in between those circles, give you some options for hanging other tools. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope you enjoy.